The Roborock S8 Max Ultra vacuum features an advanced design that ensures thorough cleaning even in hard-to-reach areas, thanks to its innovative FlexiArm and precise edge cleaning capabilities. Its RockDock Ultra system offers exceptional convenience with automatic mop washing and drying, along with intelligent dirt detection for optimal cleaning results. With a powerful suction of 8,000 Pascals, this vacuum excels in removing dirt and dust from various surfaces, making it a top choice for maintaining spotless floors. The S8 Max Ultra is equipped with smart navigation technologies, including Reactive 3D obstacle avoidance and PreciSense LiDAR, for efficient and precise cleaning. It efficiently handles carpeted areas by automatically lifting the mop to prevent dampness, while offering customizable cleaning options through the Roborock app. The upgraded app control enhances user experience with intelligent cleaning plans and tailored options, ensuring a seamless and effective cleaning routine.